so cute. Like, I am so loving it. And it has Chucky on there. Like, so I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So please stay tuned and, hit that subscribe button. I am so excited to actually do this. Ooh, this is getting everywhere. Like I was saying, y'all, I'm so excited to do this costume. I have on my lovely house coat that I love to wear during the winter time, y'all. It is freezing outside. I had a doctor appointment earlier, and I'm here. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh my gosh, y'all, this is my last costume, and I cannot wait to see how it turns out. Babes, this look shall be very interesting because I will be doing some little bits of dramatic makeup, but that will be added to my face, my scars that I gotta add, which will be so fun, y'all. I am just going to be honest, y'all. This October has been teaching me nothing but lovable lessons, and I feel like it's no revenge for anybody. I feel like my growth is the best thing that I'm admiring. You know what I'm saying? I don't care to get revenge on anybody. My growth is the revenge. My success, you know what I'm saying? And vigilance, or whatever they say, is God's. You know what I'm saying? But I'm finna be in my Chucky mode. He gonna take revenge for me. You know what I'm saying? I forgot to totally mention that I will, be doing like a basic makeup look, and I will be having like the dramatic scars and all that. But I will have this. Sorry, y'all. My Bible app. I will be having like this one eye with like eyeshadow. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's like the inspired look. You know what I'm saying? The eyeshadow on one eye, which I will be trying to do that. Excuse me. Like, I really don't have like a deep red. I mean, I have this. I think I used that on my last. I'm not sure, y'all, but I'm gonna use kind of like this, or possibly even this, y'all. I'm not sure. Let me see. Something like that, y'all. And I see in the photo she has like a little bit of purple and then a little bit of white on the other eye, y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's like this real cunty Chucky. I decided I'm going to use a little bit of these two color purples right here and kind of combine them together. Y'all, I totally forgot to add some underneath the eye. I just seen it and I'm like, hold on. So I, totally did a thing. Gotta find my eyeliner. But I totally did a thing with my eyeshadow, y'all. I put glitter, and stuff like that on it, and I think it looks cute. Got on my lovely lashes, which is the basic lashes, nothing dramatic. I think, basic lashes is just the whole vibe for, this Halloween. I don't even care. Good old energy drink for your girl, because I've been up since this morning. Like I said, I had to, a doctor's appointment, getting stuff done, catching up and seeing where my body at with the semaglutide. If you have not checked out my videos about that, please check it out in my updates and what's going on with my body, babes. I think I like how that contour came out, and I'm gonna just really, you know, fly through the basic makeup look. But I cannot wait to do my exciting, dramatic makeup, because this is the only costume that I actually did dramatic makeup with. I normally make sure I always have a dramatic makeup costume about every year. Even though I'm doing a dramatic makeup look or whatever, I'ma still do my lovely blush. You know, I'ma definitely still add that in there. This one fly in here is like irking my dang nerves. Babes, I'm done with my, you know, basic makeup. Now it's time for me to officially, y'all, go ahead and do the scars. I don't know if I should spray my face now, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. Now, totally the fun part. I'm gonna go ahead and add this. Okay, so I added some white liner under my, you know, my eyes. I thought that would be so cute. And I'm gonna, you know, go ahead. Oh, it's scar stickers, y'all. I didn't even know. It's scar stickers that I can actually draw from. Their tattoo. These are the 5 what I got right here, and I'm gonna cut them out and place them exactly where I want to, like this small one, for example, y'all. I'm kind of glad I bought this because I didn't pay attention or even seen that it had the scars in there. But I'm gonna use only 5. I'm not gonna go outrageous with it, you know, save the other scars for another costume in the future. Never know. I wet my towel, and I'm gonna start out with the smallest scar, which is right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it, which I think, if I can remember, I didn't even read the instructions, didn't care, because I think I remember how to put on tattoos, the temporary tattoos. So I'm gonna place this one underneath here. Okay, I counted to about 10-15 seconds. Whoa. I'm going to let it dry. These are my finished scars, y'all, and how it's actually looking. But now that I have my scars, I'm letting them actually dry. I actually got some water on myself as well. But for me to refine these and make them look even more good, I guess I can add a little bit of extras. Really, you know, don't have to do too much, but if I want to add just, you know, a little bit of extra coloring around the scars, comes like lip gloss. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? It really comes out easy, so I don't want to add just too much. This hair is long. Ooh. And it's nappy, y'all. Anyways, I can't even part it. This hair is long, and I'm thinking about going ahead and cutting it and definitely straightening it. So I've cut my hair, okay? I've cut it, and I got it looking kind of messy, but I can make it like cute messy, you know what I'm saying? Hold on. But this is the desired look I'm going for, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not going to straighten anything because I actually like the loose curl kind of vibe. I don't know, y'all. I totally forgot to put on my freaking basic pink and lip liner. So Babes, this is the finishing look. I did my lipstick, my lip gloss, y'all, and I I am loving it all the way. This look is just giving, okay? And the hair is just, oh, I love it, babe. And y'all, with my bling knife, let me give y'all a closer look at the knife, y'all. This is so cute. Like, I am so loving it. And it has Chucky on there. Like, yeah, I'm ready to come. I'm ready to come for whoever, you know what I'm saying? Babes, I am loving this and how it actually turned out. This is my last costume, y'all. And I want to wish you babes all a happy Halloween. A happy Halloween, all right? This is how the fitted dress is looking. The long sleeve is very stretchable, y'all. Like I told y'all before, costumes from Spirit, honey, the price is always worth it, y'all. And yes, I have on fishnet red tights. I love how the tights actually give it a spice up girl baddie look. Also with the boots, y'all, the boots are so cute with this. I am loving it. I actually have on thick socks with these boots because your girl got these boots a little bit too big. Like I said, I'm coming for whoever, you know what I'm saying? This is Halloween and your girl is feeling herself, you know what I'm saying? This costume is just giving all the way, y'all. I'm having so much fun. I'm gonna actually make my baby cousins and my niece a candy bag because I won't be seeing them for Halloween, you know what I'm saying? My grandparents will be making a trip to Dallas for one of my other sisters to be helping her move or whatever. So we won't be having, Halloween like that, you know what I'm saying? And plus, I will be having to work anyways, y'all. I'm getting to that paper. But I really hope you babes enjoyed this vlog, y'all, because this look is just everything, all right? Like, this was so fun, and it came out better than what I even imagined, y'all. Like I said, costumes from Spirit is totally worth the price, y'all. Just make sure you get the right size because you can't really try on anything in there unless you just illegally try something on, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, let me give y'all a close up on my face though. Like, my face, oh my gosh, y'all. And it's just giving. But I really hope you babes appreciated this vlog, y'all, and drop the knife emoji if your girl killed this look, you know what I'm saying? And I really hope you babes have a good Halloween, and I love y'all. Mwah.